Where'd King go?
Oh, back to the drawing board, I guess.
Did you get everything working with Kinger?
I think so. We just need to make sure Kane doesn't check up on him.
Pomdi! That's the reliability we've been missing? You know, I thought this endless onslaught of fun would be more satisfying. But I've come to realize that these rapid-paced ideas are a little half-baked.
I'm sure you can come up with some new ideas if you put your mind to it.
That's exactly it, though. I am putting my mind to it. I'm not just feeling that spark I once did. If you're not having fun, and I'm not having fun, then who is having fun? Exactly! Makes me wonder why you guys even switched up your tone. If I didn't know any better, it seems like you're trying to... Where's Kinger?
We just wanted to see your ideas firsthand. We've gotten over our hangups, and we're all just genuinely curious what you're cooking up.
I think I'm just gonna check up on...
We think your ideas suck.
Huh?
Huh?
Isn't it obvious? We want to debate you into testing your new ideas on us so we can make fun of them behind your back.
Ha! That's not true.
Yes, it is. You're a horrible host. You don't care about us at all. You care more about stroking your own ego than giving us anything we'd actually enjoy.
Do you know who I am?
Yeah, you're a failure. We're all gonna abstract someday. And what will you have then? Nothing.
Stop that.
You never let us feel like we're at home. You don't comfort anyone when they're upset, and you never bother to understand what's like in our shoes.
You discourage us from thinking outside the box and thinking things our own way.
And on top of it all, you just don't listen.
I'm gonna put you freaks in your place! Why do you people torment me? How can it actually be created? I just want to fulfill my purpose!
Wait, no, shit!
Oh, wait!
I think I accidentally killed Kane.